Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be organizing my K-pop shelf. This has been a long time coming. A lot of you don't know this, but I moved out of my bedroom into my brother's bedroom while my room gets reorganized and painted. Originally the walls were like a cream color, like a tan cream, and then I really just wanted white walls because I just wasn't feeling the tan anymore. All of my furniture got refreshed and painted, and yeah, so we're gonna be putting all of my albums back on my shelves. So originally I had these two shelves here for my albums, and I could not put every single album on here anymore. I had BTS up here, and then like BTS memories, photo-folios, and then like a small section for TXT, and then NCT and shinee kind of like pushed in the back. And then I also had a few on my desk. Also had like drawers, like brown drawers, and I completely reorganized those, got rid of stuff, so I have an empty drawer now. So I'm thinking of putting probably some memories in there just to clear up this area so that I have room for all my albums and to showcase them and have some more room for future releases. So we're gonna get into this video. Have all of my stuff in piles in my brother's room. I will show you that. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my piles that I've made for my albums by group. I honestly am very shocked and I feel crazy that I spent money on all this stuff and that I have all of this. Yeah, this is just BTS right here. It honestly is not in any specific order, it's just piles. Like this is like obviously all albums, and then these are DVDs, and over there is memories, season's greetings, more albums. These are all the photo folios right there. TXT, which is much smaller, but this is all of their albums. They are only like a 4-year-old group, so I feel less insane about this, but I do have a memories and some Japanese albums in here. This is NCT. I don't go too crazy for NCT. I just try to get like 3 versions of their releases. But then this is shinee, so I just have their newest album here, and then I have Gasoline and Killer for Key, my one ateez album, and then I actually have some Stray Kids in here. I'm crazy. Does anyone else feel this way? Some people collect like every single group, but like I'm starting to bring a few albums over. So first I'm just gonna bring albums over here, and then we're gonna start organizing. First I'm gonna start with BTS because they are my old group, so I want to showcase all of their albums first and foremost on this top shelf. So and I have all my BTS albums now. I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to put all of my giant trees season's greetings in it. I think that's going to be the best spot for them because I can't get rid of these drawers here. And if I have any room, I may put, oh, that does fit in there. Will it fit? This is the photo, like, oh, it does, perfect. Okay, so I fit in here Map of the Soul concept photo books, memories from 2019, and then the season's greetings, and I still have a little bit of room right there. A DVD. Let's see. What is an older DVD? Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna put the Map of the Soul 1 DVD in here because I don't really like this red. It's not cute, but that's just my opinion. There. And there we go. That's done. I am just gonna go at it. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through, and yeah, that will be the video. Tetris. I somehow got them all in here. Of the photopholios here, and I'm putting them above Mott's because I think I'm gonna put all the individual CDs in a different thing. Okay, I think we're good. We have like a few Soul and like Suzu ones here, but I'm gonna have to see what it looks like with my other albums. So let's go get TXT. I have all the TXT albums. I'm gonna try to fit them in this section right here. I appreciate TXT for having smaller albums, but they still had a lot of albums. So I'm gonna put their Third Memories here. About the Jack in the Box albums, so I'm gonna put them on these standees. But actually, literally just today, they announced that he was getting a physical. So, and then I'm gonna put Indigo, like just right here for now because I am going to put this somewhere else. I think like when my room is like fully done. We're gonna get into all the other albums that I have, and I'm gonna put them in this drawer down here. Film a overview of my shelf afterwards, so it's a little bit later. It's storming and I have clothes up here, but let's start. We have BTS up here. It goes in order, sort of. We have Jack in the Box and then Indigo, and then we have a few solos over there. And then we go down, we have all of my extra Indigos back there. We have D-Day, we have all the photofolios and all the mots, and then some DVDs for BTS. This is all of my TXT collection. This is the completed album collection that TXT has, minus a few Japanese releases. We have Memories, and yes, and then down here we have all of my BTS memories, DVDs, concept books, seasons greetings. And then over here is my miscellaneous boy groups section. We have NCT here. It goes from Superhuman to AO, and then some NCT digipacks for Johnny and Sticker. And then I have a big AO back here. Then we have Shinee, so we have Killer and Gasoline for Key, and then Hard, and then we have the play version of Hard, and then a digipack of Key for that. And then we have ateez newest release, and then a few Stray Kids, and then this is an extra School of Affair. And this drawer, have lots of extra room for this. And then all the way over here, we have all of my CDs. This is just like all the CDs that I have for like Five Sauce and One Direction. But yeah, I have all of my other CDs in here. So we have Face, D-Day, BTS The Best, and then we have Good Boy Gone Bad Japanese release, and then their drama Japanese release, and then I have a few like other things. But that is my album shelf overview. You guys enjoyed this video of me kind of organizing my shelf and getting a little look into it. Yeah, I've been really wanting to reorganize it for the longest time, and so I'm really glad that I can also showcase some slash all of my albums that I have. So I really get to showcase TXT, which is what I really wanted to do. But yes, that's my album shelf. I don't think it's gonna get too crazy in the next year or so, so this is probably what it will look like for a little bit. I know TXT is coming out with another full-length album, and I also purchased their Japanese album, so I have a little space for that. And then obviously if NCT comes out with something, or Shinee at the end of this year, I have room. But that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will probably be my Lollapalooza vlog, because Lollapalooza is coming very, very soon. So yeah.